Welcome back to the workshop. This is like the workshop Super Bowl for me. Last week I made 4 projects, and for this final episode of season 5, I'm going to make 3 additional projects. One of them is the Lovebirds project, where I was going to originally paint that on a big canvas, but I attempted to do that a couple weeks ago, messed up, took a break from the episode, and now I'm going to redo it today on a smaller canvas. The second project, I'm going to go back to a previous project from season 2, rip it apart, and completely start over. And the third project is going to be a surprise at the end of the episode. So let's get started. Projects created for season 5. I was originally going to come in with 13 projects, but for the finale I decided to treat it like the Super Bowl and make as many projects as I could. Out of the 3 projects I made today, my favorite one was the Lovebirds assignment, being able to use all those colors, blend them in efficiently to create a really effective image. Before we end the episode, I just want to take a moment to thank you all personally. This was a very challenging season. I started this 5 months ago. Endless life challenges almost prevented me from completing the season. and I'm just really happy I pushed through it, and I got a lot of positive feedback on the artwork and got a lot of constructive feedback as far as how to take the show up to the next level for next season. I will be back for next season. It will be later on next summer. I will never do a winter season again.